is just a fun guy. This is just a fun guy coins, and today I'm going to read a book to you. My coin book. My Lincoln Cent 1909 to 1958 coin book. I got this coin book when I hit a wheat cent dump. My buddy Jish Money and I went to the bank and I was gonna go coin roll hunt with him, and the lady at the bank said, it wasn't the coin lady, but the lady at the bank, she was waiting for me because somebody brought in a whole bunch of wheat cents, a big wheat cent dump. And 95% of these wheat cents are from that dump. I've since added to it, but these are just my wheat cent jar now. And of course, I brought home half the wheat cents, and he kept half the wheat cents. And the ones that I brought home, I put in this book that I ordered, and it came just a few days later. Inside my wheat cent book, I got a lot of something and a lot of nothing. This side here is the 50s and 40s, and as it gets older, I got less of it. What exactly am I missing? I won't tell you what I'm missing, but I'll tell you what I have. I have a 1910 plane, a 13 and 14 plane, 16, 17, 18, 19 plane, 1919S, and 1920. And on the next little flip here, I have a 25 plane, 26, 27, 27S, 28, 29, 30, 31, 34, and 35. And the first half, I don't have a lot of. But the next half of the book, I got a lot. I have a 35D, 36, 36D, 37, 3070, 38, 39, 40, 40S, 41, 41S, 42, 42D, all the 43s, the D, the S, and the plane, all the 44s, 45, 45S, all the 46 mint marks, 47, 47D, 48 and its D counterpart, 49, 49S, all the 50s, 51s, but not the 51S, 52, 52D, 53, 53D, 54D, 55, 5D, 56, 57, and 58. And that's where it ends, but I put a 59 and a 60 in it. That's my penny book. I think this is the last thing out of my collection I haven't shown you an in-depth detail in, but now I did. So that being said, my name is Just a Fun Guy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon. And if you have a question or don't want to comment down below, just email me at justafunguy@gmail.com. And all of my other social medias, if you want to follow me, are in the description below. Until next time, I'm signing off. So long, YouTube.